Ready? We're taking the truck for the last wash because unfortunately, gotta sell it. How do you feel about that? No, we're in the car. No, we're not done yet. What's that? There's the scrubbers. Oh my gosh! Oh, the dirty water! There it comes. There it comes. Bye-bye, car wash. Bye-bye, car wash. Everybody's looking at us funny because it's like the first day it's rained and we're the only people at the car wash. But you know what? It's because the truck was parked in the carport when it rained. So everybody else in the world got their car wet except for us.